more? Law of supply activated, right? Law of supply is when price increase, quantity supply also increase. So they started producing more because there is demand more. We have a new demand curve. Demand is more. That's why law of supply activated because price is high, and we have a new condition here in the market that price increased and quantity demanded, equilibrium quantity also increases. So this is the result here. You must write it down the result like this. Understand, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
One more.
Yes.
Vanessa, Vanisha.
Yes.
Understood? Om,
Yes, sir.
Havarun, Om, Havarun.
Yes.
Good. Let's see. Very nice diagram here because my handwriting is not that good. Here we go. See, due to increase in the demand for ice cream. So recall our discussion regarding shift. When there is increase or decrease in quantity demanded or quantity supplied, and the reason is not just price. So hot weather is a cause to increase the demand, not the price. It means we are having shift. Plus we have a second clue that increase in demand. So we have a second clue that this is a case of shift in demand. If it says hot weather increases the quantity demanded of ice cream, then we say that this is a case of movement in the demand, not the, you can say that, not the shift. So if you understand all this stuff, see now, equilibrium price increase, equilibrium quantity also increased to 10, price increased to 2.5. So if you understand that, then please answer this question. So we have a market of ice cream. Right now we are in equilibrium. Now what happened? Oh, what happened? An increase in the price of sugar reduces the supply of ice cream. Remember, this is a case of, first of all, supply curve, because question itself mentioned that this is a case of shift or movement. Number one clue is that increase in the price of sugar. We are talking about the market for ice cream, not sugar. So it means sugar is a part of ice cream. So we are talking about input prices. This is the case of shift because input prices shift the supply curve right or left. Right? Because input prices increases, quantity supplied decreases. Right? So quantity supply decreases, decrease means shift to the left. So what happened here? See, the new market price increase and quantity decrease. See? Understand? Everyone?
Yes.
Well done. If you understand the stuff, then please, you need to answer your question. I'm going to be opening up the breakout room. This is the class activity. So you need to draw initial, new equilibrium, and at the end, you must write it down, the result. Like result here is equilibrium quantity new and equilibrium price new. What happened to the price? Price increase, quantity decrease. So this is the end result that I want you to write down along with the figure here. So take a picture. Meanwhile, I'm going to be establishing the breakout room. I'm going to be making 3 breakout rooms, and please remember the breakout rooms, you must turn on your microphone and turn on your camera. So those who are watching online, so I'm pausing the video here right now, and we are going to resume it, and discuss the solution. Okay, class. Welcome back after the break of room activity. So I have received a couple of answers here. Well done, guys. So you are going on the right direction. So let's solve it together, those who are watching online. Here, consider the following events. Scientists reveal that eating oranges increases the risk of diabetes. And at the same time, farmers use a new fertilizer that makes oranges trees produce more oranges. So illustrate and explain what effect these conditions, these changes have on the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. So okay, so let's just do that. So which market is this? Market for orange. So right now this is supply and this is demand. We have equilibrium here. I denote it E1, and what's going on here is that we have quantity and we have price. E1. And now what happened here? First, scientists reveal that eating oranges decreases the risk of diabetes. So this belongs to demand, right? So when there's a research that oranges decreases the risk of diabetes, demand will increase or demand will decrease?
Increase.
Increase. Well done. So demand will shift to the right. So we have a right here. So do we have more questions? Yes. At the same time, farmers use new fertilizer that makes oranges trees produce more oranges. So more oranges, which means there's going to be more supply, right? When supply increases or new technology comes, what happened? Supply shift to the right. So what will happen here? Approximately, our result is if you draw demand like this, so your equilibrium price is going to be increased, but my here equilibrium price is equal to PE2. But for sure, there's going to be little increase in price, and major increase in, for sure, increases quantity, right? But we don't know about whether the price would be increased or decreased, because how much increase we don't know, right? How much they increase in quantity, because quantity we don't know, and how much price we don't know exactly, how many numbers, we don't have the numbers here. So price is going to be unsure, but for sure is quantity is going to be increased. So some of you, I saw that price decrease or increase, but for sure is that quantity is increased. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So you see, if you see the this table, price is ambiguous, quantity is ambiguous, price is ambiguous. So because we don't know the actual numbers here, right? If both increase or decrease, then question is going to be a little bit ambiguous. But one thing for sure, one answer going to be for sure that it's going to be increased. Like in our previous example, quantity for sure increase. So if you understand all the market equilibrium, market force of demand and supply, please answer this practical example here. An advance in production technology will A, B, C, D. What is the answer here?
D.
Any other?
C.
I would also say C.
C. Venetia, sorry. Cameroon. Guys, are you here?
Yes. I'm still thinking about it.
Okay. Remember, the advancement in technology is the case of that variables that causes shift in supply curve, they are technology, right? So this is the case of C. The demand can shift to the right? No, demand is not going to be increased because we don't, learned over there that the variable that shift the demand curve is no technology. Technology is not included over here. So are we understand? Understood this one?
Yes.
What about this? If excess demand exists, what do we mean by excess demand? Shortage. We know that the actual prices, so now think about that. So recall the case of shortage. Shortage is
It's B.
D.
when you say which one? B for bat or D for dog?
D. For dog.
Okay.
Said B for bag.
B.
I also say B.
B.